Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have some chicken breast meat, I have zucchini, and I'm gonna make a Cantonese style stir-fried zucchini with chicken. Let's get started. These are the two main ingredients, chicken breast meat and zucchini, and I'm gonna start by cutting the chicken into strips and then marinate it. You can cut it into strips or slices, it's really up to you. Today I'm gonna cut it into strips. Then marinate the chicken with some simple ingredients, salt, a bit of light soy sauce, and a little bit of cornstarch, and a small amount of oil, and that's all we need. Combine everything and set it aside. You can leave it for about 30 minutes. So while marinating the chicken, I can then prepare other ingredients that I need. Next, I have the zucchini. Cut off both ends. Then cut the zucchini into slices. I've cut the zucchini. In fact, I can stir fry the zucchini straight away, but I will do one step extra before that, that is to oil blanch it. And that is a useful method because it's going to seal the surface and also it cooks it partially, and then it helps to keep it crisp during the final stir fry. By the way, this is an optional step, it just makes the zucchini become more crisp tender. Heat up the oil to about 150 degrees. There's no need to use very hot oil. And then add the zucchini inside, batch by batch. Because I'm doing it at home, so I do it batch by batch to save some oil. It is a very quick process. Just to blanch it so that it seals the moisture inside. About 20 to 30 seconds will be sufficient. And after that, quickly remove it from the oil and continue the next batch. The oil is quite clean, so after you finish all the zucchini, you can use the oil for other purpose too. So now the zucchini is partially cooked, and because I have already oil blanched it, it will shorten the time of stir frying, and also it will be very much more crisp tender. Now let's make the stir fry sauce. This is light soy sauce, and I also would like to include some Chinese wine, then some salt, a little bit of sugar just to balance the saltiness, and also if you would like to, you can add some oyster sauce. If you don't want to add the oyster sauce, you can simply add a little bit more of the light soy sauce or just add a little bit more of salt. Lastly, some ground white pepper. This is a very basic and standard Cantonese style seasoning. And just a tablespoon of water to combine everything. If you are confident enough, you can just add all these ingredients separately directly into the pan during stir frying. I would also prefer this stir fry to be quite dry, so I'm not intend to make a very thick sauce, and therefore I do not add any cornstarch today. Now I've got everything ready, we can start cooking, and I can use the oil that we used to blanch the zucchini to stir fry the chicken. It's quite clean. Need to cook the chicken separately from the zucchini because they require different cooking time. Put it over medium to high heat to sear it for a short while before I turn it over. Now turn it over to fry the other side of the chicken. And I also prefer the chicken to be slightly more darker color, so I'll just add a little bit of dark soy sauce to improve the color. So when it is done, I will remove it from the pan. Add a little bit of oil to saute the garlic. And then return the chicken and also the zucchini back to the pan. Combine with the stir-fry sauce that we have just made. And stir fry it for another half to a minute. If you prefer it to be more saucy, you can add a little bit more water with additional half teaspoon of cornstarch to thicken it. But I prefer it to be dry. That is really your personal preference. So now it is done. Lastly, add a drizzle of some sesame oil onto it with a good mix, and basically that's it. The stir-fried chicken with zucchini is done. Let's try. It is a very easy to make dish, and the zucchini is super crisp tender because of the oil blanching, and it's very flavorful. The zucchini absorbs all the flavor from the chicken and also from the seasonings. It's well balanced. We have vegetables, we have chicken, easy to make. And if you love this recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And also the recipe, you can find it at the end of this video for your reference. Let's try it out and let me know the result. I hope you will love it, and let me know your comments and how it turns out. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.